Welcome again. So, in this video, I will discuss with you what's going on in Tesla, which is very important topic because because of Tesla, the broader market gets impacted or broader market gets an upside. Whatever happens with Tesla is very important for Tesla itself and also for the broader market. So, what's going on in Tesla? So, let's see. Today, like yesterday, on 5th June 2025, what happened was Tesla gained $10.44, which is $3.67% higher than the previous day. It is now $294.14. So what happened in last 5 days? Let's see the 5 days chart. So 5 days ago, Tesla was $341.39. Now it is $295.14. So this is not a good move. This is a bad move. This is a $46 downside move. So it is not good. It doesn't look good. It looks like it's in downtrend. So what happened in last 1 month? But if we see last 1 month, we see an increase in price. Like in the last month, the price came up from $276.22 to today's $295.14. It is the 1 month situation, but it is not like it is not a definite upside because you see there was a price movement in the upper side which continued to move until it hit $362.89. Now it plummeted again to $295.14 level. So this is not like definite up like 100% an upside move. So it went up and went down again, and so it's not a clear view. But if we see the 6 months chart, we understand clearly that Tesla is in downtrend because it was at $389.79 6 months ago. So from that point, it is now only $295.14, which seems to be that Tesla has a very, very bad time. It's a really rough time. Last 6 months was not good. So it is like $100 downside move, which is a massive downside move. And what happened actually? Why is this happening? So let us search for what is going on with Tesla. So if we go through an article, most recent article like 15 hours ago, so the weekend Tesla's problems mount as Trump-Musk bromance hits the rocks. So if we read a bit the article, so we may have a perspective of what's going on. So the article says, it was a moment many had predicted from the outset, a question of when rather than if. The wheel finally came off the Trump-Musk bromance in spectacular fashion on Thursday, wiping more than $150 billion of the value of Tesla and dragging down the broader market. The world's richest man kicked things off by describing Trump's signature Big Beautiful bill aimed at extending tax cuts a disgusting abomination. Trump responded by calling his electoral backer crazy, threatening to slash government contracts and subsidies key to Musk's business interests and telling reporters he was disappointed in him. Things only got more heated from there. The very public spat only adds to Tesla's woes. The electric vehicle maker's market capitalization has fallen almost 30% or $380 billion. So for this year, the biggest drop of any large company globally. So it's not a good situation at all. Trump and Musk have been in a verbal dispute, and I suspect if this continues like this, like for another 6 months, it would be really worse. Like Tesla may drop well below $200, and I believe even if Tesla drops below $200, Tesla will rebound and go up again and claim its price towards like $400 again, because electric vehicle market is not going to shrink like crazy. It's not, because globally carbon emission is still hotly debated issue, and carbon emitting vehicles are discouraged globally. So it is the time, or it is there, of electric vehicles. So I believe if the problem gets resolved within the next 3 to 4 months or 6 months, even if Tesla goes down below $200, or like even if it hits $150, it will again rebound, and it will move up towards $300 or $400 even after a period of time, like 1 year from now or 2 years from now. So if you have some holdings in Tesla, it is not like clear what's going on with Tesla, because if the problem intensifies even more, still it will rebound according to my analysis, because Tesla is not like worthless company. It's not like doing nothing tech company. It's doing something. It's trying to make an impact. So even if it gets caught by Trump's negative inputs, or like bad moves, or like Trump's hostile moves, like it goes down below $200 or even below $150, it will still come back, I believe, and it will reclaim its price of $300 and even $400, because once it was about $500, about like 400 or 480 or something. So it should go up again, but currently it is in downtrend, and I can tell you it can go down like another $100 or another $150 even, if Trump and Musk's verbal battle continues and some negative policies come into place. But once the problems get resolved in the future, it should rebound. So that is what I analyze, and that is what I wanted to say to you. So be cautious about it, but do not be completely depressed about the downside moves, because it should again go up according to my thinking. So have a good day. Be cautious and be like analytical, and be like courageous and brave in the stock market, because stock market is not the place where you can play whimsically. You have to play rationally. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will give you more perspective in the upcoming videos, so keep watching. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.